I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on your OnePlus 15. Go to settings, and then under settings, go to display and brightness, tap on that, and then you should see the dark mode option there. You can tap on it, and that's going to enable dark mode instantly on your phone. Now, you can also choose to schedule dark mode. So you can go here and enable the schedule, and dark mode will start at sunset and end at sunrise. Now your phone will determine what time sunset is and sunrise is. That's going to be 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. Now also, you can go to custom and set your own time for when you want dark mode to start and to end. Okay, so that's how to turn on dark mode. But if you just want to turn on dark mode, you can just enable it from here. Now, once you turn on dark mode, you also have dark mode settings. You can choose to have enhanced, medium, or gentle style for dark mode. Also, you can turn your wallpapers into the dark theme once you enable dark mode. And also, you can force some of the compatible apps to go into dark mode if you want to. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.